Well, hello students, this is Jesse Ray and I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the 8th, Thursday the 8th. We're going to do some live songwriting, so preparation is the first thing that I'd like you to do. And the first thing I want you to do is I want you to make up a chart like this. And what this chart consists of, all it is little rectangles running down the page vertically. Now each of these represents 4 bars of a song. So it doesn't really matter if you've just got a wee bit of lyrics or a melody or, you know, an actual track. I want you to make a diagram of this, please, before I come, and I'll tell you why. What we're going to do is we're going to do some live songwriting, and I'm very lucky because we've got an excellent friend called Jimmy Douglas, a multi-Grammy award winner in the United States in Miami, who's supplying me some beats as well. So we're going to get some beats. We're going to write some lyrics and melodies, and what's even greater is that in the evening we're going to do it as a live gig. So if you get yourselves prepared, this is Jesse Ray.